Jangan main-main, jangan main-main.
시작이라는 걸 넌 믿을 수 있겠니?
시작이라는 걸 넌 믿을 수 있겠니? 이제야 사랑을 할 것 같아. Ready or not 가는 거야 너를 믿어. Soldiers knocking doors down.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Mastura from Study Program English Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Matul Anwar, Banten. Here I will present about my lecture article with the title Cartoon Movie and Interactive Tool for Online Learning Student Vocabulary. Okay guys, to shorten the time, let's get it. The first is abstract. The abstract discuss how cartoon movies can be used as an interactive tool to help students improve their English vocabulary mastery, especially in online learning. Many students struggle with memorizing vocabulary and lack confidence when speaking because they cannot find the right words. Cartoon movies can make vocabulary learning more enjoyable and effective because by watching cartoon movies, students can enhance their imagination, discover new vocabulary, and become more motivated to learn. Okay guys, the next is introduction. Vocabulary is central to English language teaching because without vocabulary, students cannot understand other or express their ideas. According to Mukti 2012, cartoon movie is one of the media that can be used since it is attractive and effective media to teach vocabulary. Okay guys, so English is an international language used not only for communication but also for sharing ideas, feeling, and desires. One of the most important aspects of learning English is vocabulary mastery, which supports the development of listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Teachers need to choose appropriate media to motivate students and make vocabulary learning more enjoyable. One effective medium is cartoon movies as they are attractive, easy to understand, and enjoyable for beginners. By watching cartoon movies, students can hear many new words and see how they are used in real context, which help improve their understanding and speaking confidence. Several students have shown the effectiveness of using cartoon movies to improve vocabulary mastery. Therefore, this article aims to provide information about using cartoon movies as an interactive tool to enhance students' English vocabulary learning, with the hope that it can help both teacher and student overcome difficulties in vocabulary learning. Okay guys, the next is the nature of English vocabulary. According to Ashraf et al. 2014, the center of any language is vocabulary. And according to Richard 2002, vocabulary as the center of language aspect gives a significant part of the students to improve their listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Okay guys, so vocabulary is core of a language and plays an important role in supporting listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Vocabulary mastery should come before grammar mastery. The process of mastering vocabulary is not easy or natural for students. It requires a systematic approach so that they can understand and use vocabulary in both language comparison and productions. And next is interactive learning tool. The majority of teachers use media or tools to assist them in providing specific knowledge to their students. In the teaching and learning process, the tool plays a significant role. The tool can help teacher and student achieve the goals of the teaching and learning process by supporting teachers, explanations, and assisting students in gaining a better comprehension of the lesson being taught. Furthermore, by employing a tool, teachers may make their lesson more engaging and pleasant. Guys, media or learning tools play an important role in the teaching and learning process because they help teachers deliver material and make it easier for students to understand lessons. The use of tools also makes learning more engaging and enjoyable. The interactive learning model has gained increasing attention worldwide. This model emphasizes cooperation between students and teachers to enhance information using various methods. And next is the movies as interactive learning tool. A movie is a motion picture or film made for amusement that tells tale or one of the visual aids that shows a feature with stereo sound. Here are some figures that show the example of cartoon movies for students to learn vocabulary. There is Kung Fu Panda, The Good Dinosaur, and Inside Out. So, a movie is a motion picture created for entertainment that tells a story with images projected frame by frame to appear alive on a screen. A movie can also be seen as a photographic record of artistic performance, history, science, and human activities, presented through a projector in cinemas or on television. In the context of learning, cartoon movies can be used as visual media to help students learn vocabulary. The next is the selection criteria for movies. Number 1, watchability is related to the question of whether or not the video is entertaining and whether or not a young learner will decide to watch it. Number 2, completion. The ideal video clip tells the entire tale or a segment of one. And number 3, length. The clip's length is crucial. It may be anywhere between 3,029 seconds and 10 minutes. Number 4, content appropriateness. Content should be appropriate for young learners. And number 5, maturity level. It should be suited to their level of maturity. And number 6, related materials are readily available. Next is type of movie. Number 1, off-air shows. Programs recorded from televisions, which should be interesting, have an appropriate length, and be understandable for students. This can be used for various purposes such as language practice, cross-cultural awareness, or to inspire students' creativity. And number 2, real-world movies. General films such as features films, wildlife documentaries, or comedies, which can be used freely without copyright restrictions and support learning. Number 3, language learning movies. Films films specially designed for language learning, adapted to students' proficiency levels and interests. However, this film can sometimes lack quality or be too simple. So, next is using a cartoon movie to teach vocabulary. A cartoon movie is one of the medium that may be utilized to teach vocabulary because it is appealing and effective Furthermore, the students were excited and engaged in the class. The movie is one of the tools for efficient teacher-student communication so that the student is not bored during the class. The next is advantages of using cartoon movie. Number 1, movies are excellent at describing process, especially when done in slow motion. And number 2, the movie may teach its students something, whether they are intelligent or not. And number 3, a movie can transport a student from one country to another and from one area to another. And number 4, if necessary, the movie can be replayed to increase clarity. It is according to Nasution 2005. Okay guys, the last is disadvantages of using cartoon movie. According to Azhar 2011, the disadvantages of employing movies in the teaching and learning process, they are number 1, English movies are often expensive and time consuming. And number 2, when the video is shown, the image changes, making it impossible for all students to follow the information presented in the movie. And number 3, movies are not always fit for the demand and goals of learning. Okay guys, that's all from me. But first, I'm so sorry if I make many mistakes in this video. I'm sorry guys. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.